Hi students, today I will explain for you some information about how to use Paint program in your machine. Maybe we can draw something like that, and I will explain for you how to use these tools. Okay, here I will open at first my program Paint. So this is Paint here, and also I can find this is my workspace. I can use this workspace for drawing. For example, here at first is file. I can open a file or make new file or save my file. It will be good to send my file for printing if I have a printer, so I can print this drawing. Okay, now students, I will use this new, I will have this workspace to draw. Here, my home, I can find my important tools which I will use in drawing. Here, my view, I can use some tools like zoom in and zoom out. So, here students, at first I will speak about these tools which can draw some lines. For example, this is a line. I can draw a line like this. And here this is a curved line. I can draw line. After that, I can take this line up or down to make this line curvy, like this. Okay, this is my circle. I can draw a circle, and this is rectangle, and here this is rounded rectangle. Here also I can see this two kinds of triangles. This one and here another one. This is triangles. And this is my diamond. I can draw this diamond like this. And this is pentagon draw. I can draw this pentagon shape, and this is hexagon. I can draw hexagon like this, and this is arrow. For example, this right, and here this is left, and here this is down, and here this is up. Okay, and this is 4-point star, this 5-point star, and here's 6-point star. And here this bubble. I can use bubble if I have someone speak. Also, if I will click here, I will find more shapes like heart or this lighting. Good. If I want to delete this or to erase this shapes, I couldn't use this eraser. I can use this for small shapes like this. But if I want to delete all like this, I will select this all shapes, and I will press delete in my keyboard. So it will be good. Here I can find this size. For example, I will choose this brush, and I will use this kind of line. This is very little small line, and here this is very big line. Can you see this and this? There's different two lines, and size is different. Here I can use this pen, and I can change the size of my line like this. And here this is my fill tool. Oh, it's black. So if I want to change the color, I can change the color. This color from here. I can use brown like this. Or I can select all, Control A, and I will let my drawing to be white like this. Okay, this is my fill tool. Here I can write a text like that. How good. Can write hi, this one, and from here I can change the size of my line like that, and here I can change the font of my line like this. Good. If I will go back for home, I will see this. I can draw or write another word. Okay. For example, I can also delete this line, this word. Here I can make zoom in or zoom out, and here I can earth and this drop it will picture or picker. I can choose color or from this area. Okay, here students I can use these lines and this brush. Now if I want to change the color, I can change the color from here. I can choose any color of this. Now students, I want to draw something small, something little. So I will draw here something like that. Oh, and I will change the color. This color from here, I will make this color black. And I will go here to draw small home like this. And I will use this line to draw, this my roof, and here, good. Also, I can add here small door, but I can use rectangle. I will draw this door, and here this is my window. And here I will choose from select this drawing and I will take this down. Maybe I can use line to draw this here again like this. Okay, now students, I want to add a tree, so I will draw this rectangle here and I will draw this circle. Maybe it will be good, but can you see this space? It is wrong. Yeah, so I will complete and I will add a line here and a line here in the left and right. As you can see now, everything is okay. Now I will choose my color. So I will go for fill tool and I will choose this color for my home. And I will choose this blue for door and window. And I can choose this white blue for sky. And I can choose this brown for my tree. And here this I can choose here green, but as you can see I can find this black line. If I will choose this black line with green, it will be all of this green, so I couldn't do this. I will go back again and here I will choose my cursor and I will use this cursor for deleting this line. Okay, and now I will choose green. For example, I can take this for my wood. Yeah, it will be gray. And maybe I can change the color for white. And here I can draw this for my roots. Okay, I can go back and here I will fill tool with white like this, and here I can select, I can use this rectangle selection and I will take this here, right click for copy. After that I will use paste. I will see this here, I will take this here like that, again paste, and I will take this here again, paste. I will take this here again. Good. This is my root and this is my image. I want to save the image. I will go for file and save. I can choose where I will add my image. So I will go for create to, and here I will write the name of my image. Okay, 001 for example. And here I will save. Good. Now I have an image. Thank you very much, and I hope to watch the next videos in the playlist because you will find another examples for drawing. And goodbye.